remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create bison liver. What I have here is about a little bit over 3/4 of a pound, about 0.8 pounds to be more precise. And I'm going to show you a trick because you want this baby relatively tender. And this is bison. Bison is very lean. And we're dealing with liver, which is kind of softer. It's going to cook fast. And the trick here, first you want to pat it dry. And then, after you pat it dry, it's a matter of using salt, okay? It's a matter of using salt, but it's a trick to it. So when you apply this salt, you have to be careful, especially with this kind of, with liver specifically, because salt tends to dry the water. It dries the liver water. You don't want to lose the tenderness. Now, other type of bison, like steak, even beef type of steak, the beef, I tend to put the salt and then I cook it because I know how to manipulate the heat. But this is different. This is going to cook fast and it can dry. So what you do is you do use salt, but you make sure that you don't cook it immediately. And because it's a liver and it's very thin, what you do is you make sure that you leave it, that this salt is in the liver for about half an hour. And it does too thin. It let the liver go to room temperature. This one was already out for about 20 minutes. So it's already in room temperature. But it also allowed the salt to reverse the process of osmosis. Osmosis is when salt dries the water or the liquid from the meat. Reverse osmosis is when the salt, after it draws out the water, it reverses. So I said 30 minutes, 45 minutes, maybe longer. We take care of this. So because I'm going to cook this liver with onions, perfect way, I start getting the onions ready. And I'm going to cook them long, you know what I mean? Sharp knife. And I start cutting these babies. See how they look? So I have a container and I get about 1/4 cup of vinegar. You can go apple cider. I'm going to go with white. Put it there. And the reason I put it there first is if I put the liver and then I put the vinegar on top, it's going to wash out the salt. You don't want that. So what you do is you put the liver, let it soak in because the vinegar and the salt, they're working together. And then I add the onions. And now is when you start counting the time. You're going to let it sit for at least half an hour, 45 minutes. So the osmosis process reverse. And that salt doesn't dry the meat. Instead, it just reverse the stuff and add the flavor and the water, quote unquote, into the meat. I'm going to go with my cast iron. This is an old one, about 100 years old. So I have this couple notches above medium heat. I'm going to put some, I like to cook with extra virgin olive oil. And I want to make sure this oil is hot, okay? So I'm going to let it heat for about a minute. Now, I never put the liver in the refrigerator. I left it outside, room temperature, about 35 minutes, okay? If I would have done this overnight, what I would have done is get it out of the refrigerator and let it sit out for about 30 minutes. Important to get into room temperature so it cooks evenly, okay? Now that the pan is hot, you have to be careful because of the vinegar. It's going to make things jump a little bit. So be careful. Add both of them at the same time. Leave them alone. They're going to cook fast. And I'm going to add the onions and the vinegar. That slow down the cooking a little bit while keeping things tender, okay? And let one side cook. But watch it closely. It's not going to take a long time. About 2 minutes later, I'm going to flip it. Going to do the same with the other one. And I'm trying to get the onions caramelized, but I don't want the liver to dry. So it's a balance. And I'm going to cook the other side for about 2 minutes. About a couple minutes later, see how beautiful? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove them, put them here, let them rest, okay? Once I remove them, if the onions are not fully caramelized like that, nice looking color, you can leave them here for about a minute or so they get that nice looking color from the juices that came out of the liver. It's about a minute or so. This is perfect with some rice. Look at this rice.